The Boeing 777, since its introduction, has been a game changer in the aviation industry. Its impact on the market has been profound, leading to shifts in airline strategies, competitive dynamics, and technological advancements. To understand how the Boeing 777 is demolishing the entire aviation industry, it's essential to delve into its development, features, market reception, and its influence on other aircraft manufacturers and models. Before we start, smash the like and subscribe buttons for more updates. The Boeing 777, also known as the 777, made its debut in 1995. It was designed to fill the gap between the smaller 767 and the larger 747, offering a perfect balance of range, capacity, and efficiency. From the outset, the 777 was revolutionary, being the first commercial aircraft designed entirely on computers. This leap in design methodology allowed Boeing to optimize the aircraft's aerodynamics, weight distribution, and fuel efficiency in ways previously unattainable. One of the most significant advantages of the Boeing 777 is its twin-engine design. Before its introduction, long-haul flights were dominated by quad-engine giants like the Boeing 747 and the Airbus A350. The 777's twin-engine configuration, combined with advancements in engine technology, offered comparable range and capacity with significantly lower fuel consumption and maintenance costs. This efficiency made it an attractive option for airlines looking to reduce operating costs while maintaining or expanding their long-haul networks. The impact of the 777 on the aviation industry can be seen in its market penetration. By the early 2000s, it became the aircraft of choice for many of the world's leading airlines. Its success was not just due to its operational efficiency, but also its passenger appeal. The 777's spacious cabin, large windows, and quieter engines provided a more comfortable flying experience, which became a strong selling point for airlines in a competitive market. Airlines like Emirates, Qatar Airways, and Singapore Airlines adopted the 777 extensively, making it a cornerstone of their long-haul fleets. The success of the Boeing 777 forced other aircraft manufacturers to rethink their strategies. Airbus, Boeing's main competitor, responded by developing the A330 and later the A350. The A330, while successful in its own right, could not match the 777's combination of range, capacity, and efficiency. Airbus's more direct response came with the A350, which incorporated many of the technological advancements seen in the 777 but aimed to surpass them. The A350 features composite materials for lighter weight, advanced aerodynamics, and new engines for improved fuel efficiency. Despite these innovations, the A350 still faces stiff competition from the established 777 and its newer variants. The introduction of the Boeing 777X, the latest iteration of the 777 family, has further cemented the aircraft's dominance. The 777X features larger, more efficient GE9X engines, folding wingtips for improved aerodynamics, and a cabin redesign for enhanced passenger comfort. These improvements have allowed the 777X to offer even greater range and capacity, making it an ideal replacement for aging 747S and a strong competitor to the Airbus A350-1000. Boeing's success with the 777 has also influenced other segments of the market. The mid-sized, long-haul market has grown significantly, with many airlines favoring smaller, more efficient twin-engine aircraft over larger, less efficient quad-engine models. This shift has led to a decline in demand for aircraft like the Airbus A380, which, despite its impressive capacity, has struggled to find a sustainable market. The A380's production is set to end in 2021, a stark contrast to the ongoing success of the 777. The impact of the 777 extends beyond its direct competitors. The success of twin-engine long-haul aircraft has influenced the development of other models across the industry. Boeing's own 787 Dreamliner, for example, incorporates many of the technological advancements pioneered by the 777, including the extensive use of composite materials and advanced aerodynamics. The 787 has been a commercial success, offering even greater efficiency and passenger comfort for medium to long-haul routes. Similarly, the success of the 777 has pressured Airbus to innovate across its product line. The A321XLR, a long-range variant of the A320 family, is a response to the demand for more efficient, flexible aircraft capable of serving long-haul routes traditionally operated by larger planes. This trend towards smaller, more efficient aircraft is a direct result of the market dynamics shaped by the success of the 777. The Boeing 777's influence also extends to the operational strategies of airlines. The aircraft's efficiency and range have enabled airlines to open new routes and expand their networks in ways previously not possible. For example, the 777 has made ultra-long-haul flights, such as those from the Middle East to North America and Asia more economically viable. This capability has been a key factor in the rise of Middle Eastern carriers like Emirates, Qatar Airways, and Etihad Airways, which have used the 777 to establish extensive global networks and capture significant market share. Furthermore, the 777's success has prompted airlines to rethink their fleet composition. Many carriers have opted to phase out older, less efficient aircraft in favor of the 777 and its newer variants. This trend has been particularly evident in the shift away from four-engine aircraft like the 747 and A380. The operational efficiencies of the 777 have made it a more attractive option, leading to a reduction in demand for larger, less flexible aircraft. The Boeing 777's impact on the aviation industry is not just limited to commercial aviation. Its success has also influenced the development of military and cargo variants. The KC-46 Pegasus, a military tanker based on the 767 platform, incorporates many of the technological advancements seen in the 777. Similarly, the 777F, a freighter variant, has become a popular choice for cargo operators due to its range, capacity, and efficiency. The versatility of the 777 platform has allowed Boeing to cater to a wide range of market needs, further solidifying its dominance. The Boeing 777 has also set new standards for aircraft safety and reliability. The aircraft's design incorporates numerous safety features and redundancies, which have contributed to its strong safety record. Advances in engine technology, such as the GE90 and the newer GE9X engines, have also played a significant role in improving reliability and reducing maintenance costs. These factors have made the 777 a favorite among airlines for its dependability and lower operational costs. The financial success of the Boeing 777 has had a profound impact on Boeing itself. The aircraft has been one of the company's best-selling models, generating significant revenue and profitability. This financial success has enabled Boeing to invest in further research and development, leading to the creation of new models like the 787 and the 777X. The success of the 777 has also helped Boeing weather challenges in other segments of its business, providing a stable source of income in times of uncertainty. Looking ahead, the future of the Boeing 777 appears bright. The 777X, with its advanced features and improved efficiency, is set to continue the legacy of its predecessors. Despite the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, which has led to a temporary decline in air travel demand, the long-term outlook for the aviation industry remains positive. As airlines recover and rebuild their fleets, the 777X is well positioned to play a crucial role in meeting future demand for efficient long-haul aircraft. The Boeing 777's influence is also reflected in the industry's infrastructure and airport operations. Its introduction necessitated adjustments in airport facilities to accommodate its size and passenger capacity. This evolution has driven enhancements in airport efficiency, ground handling, and passenger services, indirectly benefiting the broader travel experience. Moreover, the 777's success underscores the importance of innovation and adaptability in aviation. Its development marked a shift towards more sustainable practices, with a focus on reducing carbon emissions and operational costs. This emphasis on environmental responsibility has set a benchmark for future aircraft designs, pushing the entire industry towards greener technologies. The Boeing 777 has had a transformative impact on the aviation industry. Its combination of efficiency, range, capacity, and passenger comfort has made it a favorite among airlines and passengers alike. The success of the 777 has forced competitors to innovate and adapt, leading to advancements across the industry. The ongoing development of the 777X ensures that Boeing's dominance in the long-haul market will continue for years to come. As the aviation industry evolves, the Boeing 777 will undoubtedly remain a cornerstone of commercial aviation, shaping the future of air travel and continuing to demolish the competition. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your comments below and tell us, do you think the Boeing 777 is reshaping the aviation industry? We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.